Welcome to Sarah's vlog.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Tally found a stick, and then she attached her water bottle to it.
You want to watch me take a sip of it?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you have to sip it while it's on the stick. Okay.
I think that'll be pretty hard. Oh, that's so good.
Wait, Tally, you should do like a hitchhiker thing. Like put it on the end of the stick and then like carry it.
It's so...
Photo shoot.
Tally, photo shoot, you and your stick.
Tally, look mysterious with your stick.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, no, flip it the other way. Like flip the stick the other way so it's like curved upwards. Don't let that stick kick your butt.
I think she is.
Tally, look mysterious. Wait, I gotta put it kind of far down. Look mysterious. Look sad. Look.
We have a director over here.
Give me a look of passion. Wait, hold it towards the end.
Oh my goodness.
Put stick in front of it. Put water bottle stick.
Here's our setup, our 2 tents.
It's like a weapon.
We have, in this one, we have a cot and, oh my goodness. And we have a air mattress. And then in this one, well, I guess there's nothing in it yet. But we're going to have an air mattress in there.
Talk about how I fit through the doggy thing.
Oh my goodness.
And Tally.
Ariana and Tally fit through that little doggy thing.
Tally found
It's
the
like,
stick.
this is my hand.
It's
a little game we like to play.
You're gonna
Oh my goodness. Got a campfire going on over there.
Your stick isn't gonna fit in the tent
Sammy.
tonight. Cheers.
No! Wait, I want to cheers, Sally.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's hot.
I mean, it is a fire. You should get your stick, Tally.
Oh, I wish, but then I would have to like tape it.
I'm like not even
You don't have
far.
to tape it. What?
Because there's
Oh my
veggies
goodness.
in it.
We're in the tent. Would you like to say hi? Oh, it's very blurry. Okay, anyway. I don't know if you can see the stars up there. Yeah, you can't. Okay. Well, there's the entrance of our tent. And then we got my bed. This is Ari's bed. She's sleeping on the floor. And then Tally's over here on an air mattress. I know. And then, yeah, you can see the stars, but you know, it's too bright of a light. So yeah, I'll do some vlogging once Ari comes. We also have, I'll show you, the zip out. We got the house over there. And then this right here. I don't know where they are, but anyway, this is their room. It's not together yet. They are sleeping, oh my gosh. They're sleeping on these little cushion things. That's what their top looks like. They're also not in there. I don't really know where they are, and I'm using my back, so I don't know how bad I look. But anyway, so yeah, I think I might do a little more vlogging and then go to bed, and I'll see you in the morning. It is kind of, I feel like it's a nice temperature right now. It's not too cold, it's not too hot, so I think we picked a good day. So we have Ari, Tally's over there, I'm right here, and everyone else is in their other tent.
I think one of our friends poopied.
Good morning, everyone. And
Wait, did they just go inside or they come back?
I think they just went inside.
I thought they were going.
And I woke up at 5:30 and it was so cold, but now it's like 9 o'clock and it is very hot, but I mean it's not like so hot. I'm going to die. So just kind of chilling out here, just laying around. Sammy, how are you, Bubba? Okay, so outside we got some stepping stones going on, and then we have a little ping pong match going on. Alright, you got the ping pong ball?
No, but eat it.
Oh my gosh, we already lost. Oh, there it is.
Going good, going good.
Alright, ready? Alright.
Are you gonna do it standing? Okay, I'm ready. Got it.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I thought you like pushed it on the table. Okay. No! Wow. Wow.
Actually, you should have the audio just for comedic.
Okay.
Just speed it up a bit.
What?
I'm getting good at this. Okay.
Oh my god. You can turn the hose off.
I know, but I want it on so that I don't have to turn it on later. Oh, it keeps getting thicker. Do you want me to mix it while you like deal with the hose? I think I'm good with the hose. I'm just trying to water it down now.
Will you walk me through what you're doing?
Oh my gosh. I'm just mixing water and concrete. It's getting really difficult.
Okay.
Why are you doing it? It's for a stepping stone. We're gonna put our handprints in. Our mark. Oh my god, this is so thick. This is ridiculous. Can I help mix it? It's time to put. Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's time to put the water in. Can I help mix? If you want, grab a glove.
Oh my. Okay, so basically we had to throw away the bowl. And then Tally, wait, how do you flip the camera? I can't flip the camera, I'm being dumb.
Oh, you have to like end the video.
Oh, okay, that makes me feel, I thought I was stupid. Okay, so but then basically Tally was spraying with the hose and got all the bags wet.
It's alright though.
Yeah. And then when Sarah told her to stop spraying the bag, she sprayed a different bag instead.
Okay.
My cameraing skills.
I mean, they'll dry.
I should talk in a vlog voice.
Oh my god.
Hey guys!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's warm.
Oh.
Right on my knee.
I'm sad I didn't climb to the top of that tree.
Okay, you ready?
Is it time? You go this time.
Maybe wiggle your fingers out of it.
It's like, oh, there we go. Okay. That's not.
It looks like
good.
a. Oh, Tally, you moved mine. See what Tally's looks like.
I'm sorry.
I feel like Tally's is gonna be okay.
Okay, they both look
No,
weird,
yeah.
so it's fine. We'll just paint on top of them.
What if we just write our names and like smooth it out, then just write our names with our fingers? It just has to dry. This is what it's looking like. Looks pretty good. Are you liking? Yes.
Yeah.
Looks good. Looks good.
No.
It's gonna be so weirdly shaped.
So it is becoming a trend that I just kind of don't end my videos and I have to make an outro while I'm editing. So it's currently almost 1 in the morning and I'm creating this outro. So please like and subscribe. Bye.